Alright, what's up guys? Today we are doing something a little different but similar. We're doing some tuning. This one dude named Sunny DL33, shout out to him. He's one of the subscribers and he hit your boy up and needs some help tuning through the emails, and we're going to see if we can help him out here. He just rebuilt his motor and he wants to make sure the problems he's having is tuning and not mechanical. So here is the tables, and here is the graph, and right off the bat I can already see needs a little bit of work. So if you look here in the graph, he never really goes over 35, 30 so miles an hour. So he's just totally cruising, nothing crazy at all, and he's getting a bunch of knocks. So I don't know if those are fake knocks or real knocks. They almost look fake by the way they're spiking like that, but they could be for real. So we're gonna check that out and see if taking out timing makes them go away. If the area it's knocking, if we retard timing by like more than 6 degrees and it does absolutely nothing to the knock count, then they're probably fake. And so that's a whole other issue. But right now we're just going to be focused on fuel and ignition to get rid of this knock. And I was looking at this a little bit before and I noticed right here you can see the air-fuel ratio spike. So I zoomed in here and noticed this first, how wacky all these gears are. Like I don't know what's going on there. The air fuel spikes up to 16.5, 16.6. Look at the short-term fuel trims. They go up and up and up and up, and they cap out at 46. That's an issue. And then looking what's going on. No throttle, nothing, and low RPMs, and the mile per hour goes to 0. So he's coming to a stop right here, obviously, is what I'm trying to get at. And just slowing down to a stop in neutral, and it's spiking. And it's adding so much fuel, and then it's going down and down and down. And then it's like, oh wait, and by that time it's too late. It's already at 13 air fuel. So if we go to this spike on the graph and look over at the tables and see what's going on, it's in this red spot over here. Which would make sense. So what we're going to do is we're going to mess with fuel first. So this is what you're going to do. There's ways to do it, and I don't really know which way. You can go like this. The problem is the 6% in the middle. If this said 15.2, it would be sweet. It'd be cake. We can just take this and add a bunch. But I don't know. You can do this or this way, you know, or like this, which is what we're probably going to do. And you can't forget about this little area here. So you also want to see where you're idling. Right here is idle. Air fuel is good. It's 4% trim, which is not bad, but be careful of where that is on the map or the tables in relation to. You don't want to grab all that not knowing that this is where idle is and thinking that it might hit here even though it doesn't show up as one of these little squares. It might still be hitting it, but it's blank. If you go like this and put a bunch of fuel, it's probably not good. It's probably going to be trimming a bunch while at idle, so we don't want that. So this is where it idles, and it's at 4. So we're going to take this, and we're not going to do 4. We're going to do 2 and see how much it changes. So for this mess here, don't want to do too big of numbers. We just want to see changes. Oh shit. And I'm going to take this whole thing and do like 10. And then this area. Don't do 30. You know what? Do 30. Who cares? See what happens. Okay, see that does not look right at all. But we're gonna roll with it. Do a little bit of this right here. See? Pow! Smooth that out. I'm gonna take this. We're gonna do 3. I'm not touching this. Not touching it. You look here. I'm gonna take this column and do a 3. Take this column and do a 10. Wow, dude. I'm gonna do 20 here. And it's gonna look stupid. And then it didn't here, but I'm just gonna get that off of there because I don't want, you know. And I'm just gonna mosey around, do a little bit of this stuff. And the dips are kind of like, okay, maybe, you know, it wants to have this weird thing in there and it's telling you to put a weird divot in. But at the end of the day, it's supposed to look like this. Nice swoops. But for now, this is okay. For now. For the first revision, this is totally fine. It's still just kind of weird in this area. I'm going to do 8, even though I know it's going to need more. Small numbers. And I'm going to do 20 here. And it's going to look stupid again. So that needed 6%. You gotta pay attention to which ones you're grabbing. You know. This says negative 30, you know, and you put it all the way, it's not. That's not gonna work out. And this just might be an OCD thing. Like, it'll probably never use this, you know. Actually, it'll use this part of the map. As a 30-degree cam angle is very common. It'll use that part of the map. And I might be working against myself trying to smooth this stuff out, but you won't find out until it comes back and you see all these numbers. So where is this, right? So I'm going to touch here and here. So that's this. So we're going to raise that up too. Dang, once he gets in it, once he actually gets in it, then all these are going to be red. Look, it gets worse as it goes. But we're going to be going this way, not that way, so that's good. What just happened? Fuck that, dude. You can always look here to see which ones you adjusted already. Like I can see down here, I didn't touch those. And I bet you if he goes up higher in the river ranges, he's going to need more fuel. So that's that. That's super simple. You know? Well, maybe I should take out some of these negatives. Probably should do that. Right here. Simple stuff, guys. Negative 3. Look at that. Negative 4. And just another warning for you guys that don't know, don't let these cross. It's just not a good thing. I don't know what happens, but just don't do it. If it says add, 30% fuel here, and then it looks like this or something, then that's not good. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no, guys. What the hell? Okay, so we can't redo anymore. So we're just gonna put this back where I think it was. Oh, Oh, anyway. Oh yeah. So we can take this little spike and okay, 1 knock, 2 knocks, 3 knocks. Still on the 15-degree cam. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait, when did we change? Right there. I'm looking at this last knock here, and it looks like it basically happened on the 15-degree map. So we're just gonna call it that. So yeah, it started here. And ended there. So I'm gonna take this area and take out 2 degrees. Bam. Okay, and then this area, it's knocking in the same area, and this is exactly what we're looking for. So where the knocks aren't all over the place, they're just in one concentrated area, which will make it easier to determine if they're real or not. Okay, it's knocking on. Yeah. These parthrall knocks are so common. Start here, going up, it's moving, still on 30-degree cam angle, and we're going to be for a while, so that's good. Knock, 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 knock. Who's there? And it ends here. Take that and that, guys. Pay attention. Minus 2 degrees. Since it's knocking so much, it could not hurt to take out 4 degrees instead of 2. Because even if the knocks are real and this does take a lot of the knocks away, it's probably going to still be in the same area, and we're probably going to have to do this again. But that's no big deal. Oh, get rid of that so I can see. Oh, never mind. Okay. Okay, more knocks. Let's take this area. Comes off the grid. Okay, there's a couple. Yep, same area. That's no big deal. That's just like one. Okay, same area. This is great. This is so good. That's pretty much it. And that's it. We're done. Come on, guys. Piece of cake. What's the problem? Just a quick update on my car. I just got Skunk 2 dropping cams, the D1 tuner stage, blah 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 blah. Those things are pieces of shit, dude. Don't buy those. I've been having so many problems with my car. Holy shit. But I got them mostly figured out. Everything's cool now, but not worth it. If you want to get cams, I'd do some research on the company. Can we go back to those weird gear things, though? That shit was funny. Where is it? What the fuck is this, dude? I think this is normal. I think this is normal now. Now that I think about it. I'm pretty sure that's totally normal. Okay, guys, stay tuned. The next episode, we are gonna do this all over again. But hopefully our adjustments actually did something. I think they will for sure. And the ECU can stop trimming on that fuel. Hopefully the knock counts go away. That'd be dope.